Did you hear the latest from Timex?
Black Max is coming to town.
Black Max, did you hear?
Black Max
is coming.
Black Max. This is Black Max, the new watch for men from Timex. It takes a real man to wear it. Good looking, isn't it? And strong. You never have to pamper it.
Black Max. Looks rugged, acts rugged, is rugged. It's a Timex. Black Max. Water resistant from only $17.95. Look for the special Timex display.
All right, so what did you think of that little slice of the 70s? I just love it. It almost doesn't even seem real. It feels like it's a spoof commercial out of a Tarantino movie or something, but I think it's really cool. Very cheesy, obviously, but still really cool. So the watch, I've been looking to pick up a Black Max since about a year and a half ago is when I first discovered the watch, and today is the day I have one. It finally showed up in the mail. Bought this for a few reasons, with the commercial being one of those reasons. The other reason is it's actually a birth year watch for me, and getting in the Q-Timex 1978 reissue kind of reignited that search. This watch is from 1978, which is also the year that the commercial debuted. They actually started making these watches in 77 and then continued on for a few years afterwards as well, but finally have one in, so let's get into the unboxing. All right, so let's get into this guy here. I am not 100% sure, or at least the owner wasn't 100% sure on the service history of this watch. The watch was running and according to him was keeping good time. Seems to be packaged well here. Get that stuff out of the way. And here it is. Where's the opening? There we go. There it is. It actually seems to be in pretty good shape. I just want to give you guys a kind of a closer look at this case design. And the coating seems to have held up pretty good. Right along the edges you can see the steel starting to come through, but looks great. I think I did decent on this one. I'm actually gonna bring this in for a service because I just feel like it's been probably sitting around for a long time. Maybe it's never been serviced even. Just the age of the strap that's on it. I don't believe this is an original strap. This is a vintage rubber strap, but I think these either came on a canvas or a steel bracelet. I actually have a canvas strap that I'm going to put on, and I'll show you guys a quick wrist check with this in a minute, but I just really like the look. One thing that's kind of weird about this watch is the fact that it's got a tachymeter, and it's not a chronograph, so it's kind of for looks, but it does look really cool. I love that little pop of orange with the second hand. We have Timex up top, water resist down here by the 6, and of course we have the date window over at 3. I think what I'll do is just got a snap back case back there and the stainless steel crown. I think it's just an awesome looking watch. I'm gonna try to give it a wind here. See if we'll get it going. Feels a little bit gritty. Let's go in there for a second, but I'm gonna kind of leave it and bring it in for a service, I think, before I mess too much with the movement. What I'll do is I'll grab the calipers. If there's anybody that's interested in picking one of these up, at least you'll know the dimensions of the watch. So case size is a nice 38.3, pretty good for a vintage watch. The lug to lug, it's a lugless design, but the lug to lug is 44.2. The thickness is 12.1, and I believe the lug opening is 18, but we'll double check here. $17.5, but I think I can squeeze an 18 millimeter on there. So let me throw it on a different strap and give you guys a look on wrist. So there it is, and I strapped it to a Barton Canvas quick release, and goes pretty good with the watch. I absolutely love the way this case is shaped. I love the hooded lugs. The other thing that's really cool with this watch is the way the silver tachometer kind of frames in that black dial. It's a really unique look. It's got quite a slope to it too, so the dial's fairly sunken down into the watch, and I'm really liking that style. The second hand all of a sudden started ticking away there. It was sort of stuttering and stopping and stuttering and stopping, so it's definitely in need of a cleanup. It's in need of a service. So I'm going to take it in today and have it looked at, hopefully get it back in a few days. Really looking forward to some wrist time with this one, but I want it to be running in tip-top shape before I do that. So that's going to be it for today, guys. What I'll do is, I know you're going to want to see it one more time, so I'll leave you guys one more look at that epic ad from Timex from 1978 here at the end of the video. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.
Did you hear the latest from Timex?
Black Max is coming to town.
Black Max, did you hear?
Black
Max is coming.
Black Max. This is Black Max, the new watch for men from Timex. It takes a real man to wear it. Good looking, isn't it? And strong. You never have to pamper it.
Black Max. Looks rugged, acts rugged, is rugged. It's a Timex. Black Max. Water resistant from only $17.95. Look for the special Timex display.